Charlie's neat and Charlie's sweet and Charlie, he's a dandy. And every time he goes to town, he brings me sugar candy. I don't want none of your weevily wheat, don't want none of your barley. Just take some flour and half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. It's Charlie here and Charlie there and Charlie over the ocean. And Charlie, he'll come back again if he don't change his notion. Ring timiding timididle-I-dum, ring timiding timid-I-do. Ring timiding timididle-I-dum, ring timiding timid-I-do. My pretty little pink, I once did think I ne'er could do without you. But since I've lost all hold of you, I care very little about you. How old are you, my pretty little miss? How old are you, my honey? If I don't die of a broken heart, I'll be 16 on Sunday. Ring timiding timididle-I-dum, ring timiding timid-I-do. Ring timiding timididle-I-dum, ring timiding timid-I-do. My pretty little miss, can you court my flower? I'll court more in a minute and a half than you court in an hour. Oh, marry me, my pretty little miss, marry me good looking. I'll marry you, but I won't do your washing or your cooking. Ring timiding timididle-I-dum, ring timiding timid-I-do. Ring timiding timididle-I-dum, ring timiding timid-I-do. He's a nice young man, Charlie, he's a dandy. And every time he goes to town, he brings me sugar candy. I don't want none of your weevily wheat, don't want none of your barley. Just take some flour and half an hour and bake a cake for Charlie. It's Charlie here and Charlie there, Charlie over the ocean. And Charlie, he'll come back again if he don't change his notion. Ring timiding timididle-I-dum, ring timiding timid-I-do. 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 Hey, Johnny Cope, are you walking yet? Or are your drums a-beating yet? If you were walking, I would wait to gang through the coals in the morning.
Cope sent a challenge, Fred and Bar, saying, Charlie, meet me and you dar, and I'll learn ye the arts of war if you meet me here in the morning. When Charlie looked the letter upon, he drew his sword and scabbard from, saying, follow me, my merry men, and we'll meet Johnny Cope in the morning.
Hey, Johnny Cope, are you walking yet? Or are your drums a-beating yet? If you were walking, I would wait to gang to the coals in the morning.
Come now, Johnny, be as good as your word. Come, let us try both fire and sword, and in a flea like a frightened bird, chase from his nest
Johnny Cope, are you walking yet? Or are your drums a beating yet? If you were walking, I would wait to gang to the polls in the morning.
Now, Johnny Truth, you were not late to come with news of your own defeat and leave your men such a strait say early in the morning. In faith, quoth Johnny, I got 6 plates with their claymores and fill of eggs. Can I face them again? I'll break my legs, so wish you all good morning.
Hey, Johnny Cope, are you walking yet? Or are your drums a beating yet? If you were walking, I would wait to gang to the polls in the morning. Hey, Johnny Cope, are you walking yet? Or are your drums a beating yet? If you were walking, I would wait to gang to the polls in the morning.